rod to check out, a unique specialty in classics. 1952 Pontiac Chieftain, two-door sedan, street rotted. Let's say raspberry in color. A dusty raspberry writing on the chrome wheels. Gray cloth interior, bucket seats. Shifter on the floor. Underneath the hood, powered by a 350 V8, and then it's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 automatic. Power steering. Front disc brakes. Take a look at the unicolor grille. Matches up with the paint on the rest of the car. A little bit of bright work to stand out. Blinkers incorporated down the grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, probably around 100 pictures of this car online, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the vehicle has not been shot. A little more headroom than a lot of your street rods you see. A little older build. Paint does show its age in a few areas where it's a little touched up. And I can kind of point those out as we go around and notice them. And you're going to find a few rock chips here and there. I mean, it has been driven. Get in it, drive it, have some fun. I also will tell you a few things that the technician that looked at this noted on it. And it is a consigned vehicle. Consignor chose it to sell it the way it is and reflect it in the price. So we'll get to that in just a bit. There you can see your center console, your shifter on the floor, bucket seats, aftermarket stereo. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I mentioned as far as our tech's taking a look at it in the back, and they did mention it's going to need some attention to the brakes. It does pull a little bit when braking. And you do have some worn pads and shoes. So front and rear brakes, I would say, and also wheel cylinders. So while you're in there doing them, you probably want to do that. So definitely a little TLC to the brakes before taking this thing on any too far a trip. Wheel cylinders, give her the once over, put it that way. We have driven it. We've had it out in our frontage road parking lot around our shop here, so it does run, and we're going to start it up and let you hear it run here shortly. Again, those pictures, you want to see the underside, check out the trunk interior. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Of course, these are stickers. There's the bullet holes there. And again, you get a few areas like that where you just a little bit of bubbling, a few rock chips down below, kind of where you can see a little bit of previous work down below in the door. So again, a little bit older build. Does show its age a little bit, but if you're looking for one, you can have some fun. Put a little TLC into, save a buck or two, and then take it out and drive it. Enjoy it. This is it. Now, it does have electronic poppers. They're unhooked. A gentleman had them before, or had this car before, found it just as easy with the wing window. Keep it popped, and you reach in, open it that way if you have the window up. Otherwise, the car shows everything else. You get your windows down, reach in, pop it open. The other thing, hood release is right here. Pull it out, it will stay released. You can lift the hood up. When you want it locked in again, push it in, put the hood down. Trunk release, right back. Let me get you to see it. Right here is the trunk release. Pulling that, pop the trunk, you're good to go. Alright, cloth bucket seats. Doesn't really show much of any rips, tears, holes as far as the wear in the seats. And you'll be able to see all these still pictures online of the interior, every angle. There's your headliner. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Starts easily. Some fuel gauge came up. Speedo's doing its test sweep. Voltmeter popped up. There's your oil pressure. So here's the gauge is all working. It was a cold start, by the way. Temp gauge hasn't moved. Notice the clock was not working. Tack does work up there. and radio works.
On Country 103.5, I'm TJ here till 7.
Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like a little bit of a cam in there. A little bit of a rumble. Nothing too crazy. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. So let me pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood. Take a look.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped, FYI. Prop rod not included. Keep that back here for when it's needed. All right, 350, small block Chevy. Again, power steering, front disc brake. Does have a 4-barrel carb. HEI ignition. Griffin aluminum radiator, electric puller fan. This thing is set up underneath the hood of this 52. Headers on it. Nice little rumble. There you go, looking for a street ride. 1952 Pontiac Chieftain 2-door sedan street ride. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.